Today, I cook a simple meal. I take the food from the fridge. I take the food from the fridge. I have rice, eggs, and vegetables. I have rice, eggs, and vegetables. I wash the vegetables. I wash the vegetables. I take a knife. I take a knife. I chop the carrot. I chop the carrot. I peel the potato skin. I peel the potato skin. I chop the onion. I chop the onion. I rinse the rice. I rinse the rice. I put the rice in a pot. I put the rice in a pot. I add water. I add water. I turn on the stove. I turn on the stove. I boil the water. I boil the water. I put the vegetables in the pot. I put the vegetables in the pot. I add salt. I add salt. I stir the soup. I stir the soup. I take a pan. I take a pan. I add some oil. I add some oil. I crack the eggs into the pan. I crack the eggs into the pan. I fry the eggs. I fry the eggs. I turn off the stove. I turn off the stove. I put the rice on a plate. I put the rice on a plate. I add the eggs. I add the eggs. I serve the soup into a bowl. I serve the soup into a bowl. The meal is ready. It smells so good. The meal is ready. It smells so good.